Hey Bus Stop Talk. Today I'm doing nothing about Bus Stop Talk, but I am going to be turning into Cinderella. These are the things you will be needing. Lotion. You'll be needing this. And you'll be needing some of this. I just got this for Christmas, but you won't be needing all of this makeup. But this is just what I have. You need lipstick. You need this. And you need, well, I guess that's all you need. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to put on is the lotion. So let's put it on. This might take a while because it's lotion, and lotion takes a long time, but still continue with the video. So let's mix the lotion in my hand. Yeah. But this lotion does smell good, so. I'm a princess. It's hard to be royal. You know what? Let's go get a towel so I can dry my hands. So you guys should wait here. So I'll get a towel for me to wipe my hands off. So I couldn't get a towel, but I got a rag, so we can wipe that off with this. Now, let's get this on. Oh, there's my dog, Ripley. He is cute. So, let's get this thing on. Got it. And this lipstick does smell too, but it doesn't have to smell. Then, rub your lips together. Put it back. Now, let's get this on. So, if you ever want to turn into Cinderella for Halloween, this is what you'll need to follow. And last but not least, the perfume. Well, now you have accomplished turning into Cinderella. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.